Hi friends, this is Gautam. In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss about Internet Control Message Protocol. So ICMP protocol. So Internet Control Message Protocol is a network protocol used for diagnostics and network management. So using this protocol, we can manage our networks as well as testing purpose. We can use this protocol. So for an example, in a network, if you want to check one device is reachable or not, so what we can do, we can try to ping that device. If the ping is successful means the device is reachable. If the ping is failed means the device is unreachable. So while you are giving ping and you have to giving destination IP address, but in backend ICMP protocol is running. While you are giving ping in backend, the ICMP protocol is running. So a good example is ping and trace route utility, which use an ICMP request and ICMP reply message. So ICMP request message is sending from sender to receiver. So ICMP reply message came from receiver to sender. So when a certain host of a port is unreachable, so the ICMP might send an error message to the source. So if a particular host of a port is unreachable means that particular host send an error message to the source. So the header that ICMP uses is really simple. So this is the ICMP header, very simple. So first byte is a type and second byte is a code and third byte is a checksum. So remaining header depends upon the ICMP type. So the first byte specifies the type of ICMP message. So the type should be 0 to 255. Each and every type indicate what type of ICMP message, like that. So for an example, ICMP type 8. So it's used for ICMP echo request. So ICMP request is used for type 8 and type 0 is used for ICMP reply, and when we use type 3 for destination unreachable message. So there are type is 0 to 255. Just I am mentioning three type. Type 8 is used for ICMP request and type 0 is used for ICMP reply and type 3 is used for destination unreachable message. So next one, the next field is second byte called code. So that code specifies what kind of ICMP message it is. So for an example, destination unreachable. So if it's type 3 means it's destination unreachable message has 16 different codes are there. So when you see code 0, it indicates the entire network is unreachable. If the code 1 is there means the particular host is unreachable. So likewise. So this is an example. So I type 3 is a destination unreachable. So in destination unreachable I have 16 codes. So right now I will show it 5 codes. So code 0 indicates the entire network is unreachable and 1 indicates particular host is unreachable and port code 2 indicates protocol unreachable. Code 3 used for port number unreachable. Code 4 used for fragmentation needed and df set, and code 5 used for source route field. So if you are interested, here is full list with all ICMP code and types are there. So just click this link and you can see all 0 to 255 types and each type what are the codes are there. So everything you can see. So in that video description, in the below description I'll mention this link. Just click it and you can go through it. So once you are more familiar with this type and codes means it's useful for troubleshooting in production network. And also checksum. So in ICMP header checksum field is there. So the checksum is used to check the ICMP header is corrupted or not. So for that reason we can use checksum. So this is my example scenario. here I am using two router. R1 R2 is point-to-point network. I am using 192.168.100.0/24 network. In R1 I will assign 1 and R2 I will assign 2. So just I will assign that IP address. In GNS3 I just start running the Wireshark in backend, then I will ping from R1 to R2. So I just give ping 192.168.100.2. so here we can see I am getting reply. So after stop capturing, then here this is an ICMP echo request packet. So this packet is came from R1 to R2. So source IP 192.168.100.1 and destination IP 192.168.100.2. So here we can see ICMP field type 8. So the type 8 indicates echo request, that is ICMP request. So ICMP request and ICMP reply, they don't have any different codes. They have always code 0 only. So that's why here code 0. And below field you can see checksum user to check whether it's correct or not. So here is correct. So everything is we received good. And one more thing. So in ICMP we have identifier as well as sequence number. So the identifier and sequence number are generated randomly. So based upon that operating system, these numbers are generated. So if you are using Linux, Unix, so the unique queue, the identifier should be an unique queue. So each and every request, the identifier will be a different and unique queue. But in Windows system, if you are trying to ping or something like that, so the identifier should be same for all request and reply. So sequence number, each and every request it will be an increment. So first request, the sequence number 0 means reply also 0. Second sequence 1 means second request 1. So likewise it will be incremented. So here we can see identifier and sequence number. So this is a replay, ICMP replay from the R2 router. So 192.168.100.2 and destination IP 192.168.100.1. So ICMP replay we can use type 0 and code 0. So here we can see sequence number 0. Okay, next to one, destination unreachable. For destination unreachable, I will show it to you another example. So here I will configure access control list on R2 router to filter the ICMP traffic. So again I am trying to ping from R1 to R2. So I will show it in Wireshark. So this is the configuration I configured on R2 router. Just I created one extended ACL and name is numbered ACL 100. Then I will give ICMP protocol should be deny. So from any network to this particular IP, the ICMP traffic should be blocked. Rest all the traffic should be in permit. So I configured here. Now again I am trying to ping from R1 to R2. Here we can see the ping is not successful. Here it's showing U means unreachable. Okay, so I will capture that Wireshark. Here the ICMP request will send from R1 to R2, that is an echo request type 8 and code 0. So from R2 I am receiving destination unreachable, so type 3 and destination unreachable. So in code they mention 13. So destination unreachable of 16 codes are there. For code 13, communication administratively filtered. So that means they configured ACL to block that ICMP traffic. So if you know all the types and each and every type what are the codes are there, means it's easy to troubleshoot. It will be very helpful to troubleshoot in production network. So if you know already, means once you saw this command, okay, there is a blocking, the ICMP traffic is blocking. So likewise we can identify easily. So below we can see type 8 and code 0 is an echo request from R1 router. Okay friends, so if you have any questions regarding internet control message protocol, you have any queries, means please message me in the comment section. I will reply to your queries. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my video. So please subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you.